Hello everyone, my name is Timothy Lee Grant. So today I have been working on this project to try to separate a monolithic project that I created and separate it into a microservice architecture. So that's kind of what I'm trying to do. In the last video, I got the structure. So I separated two files or folders. So now I have one folder for one microservice, another folder for a separate microservice. So now the question is, okay, well, let's try to actually, so here's this server application, here's this user profile. So I was able to run this one, the server application. It runs, I'm able to access it through the localhost, or I guess it was here, right? Localhost. I'll refresh it. It's not going to work because I'm not running it, obviously. But if let's see, where am I right now? I'm inside of the server application. Awesome. So I should be able to do. Come on. Maybe it would have been just easier. Okay. Maven. So Maven Spring Boot run. So I can run it, even W, okay. Like that, it'll do its thing. All right, now we can refresh this page and we get the endpoint. Okay, cool. So we're able to do that. Now, the question that I'm having is, okay, well, we got this one to kind of work, right? Like, awesome, I guess. But what about like this one right here? Like, what am I trying to do here? I have this main, this like file here, and now I need to get it to run, and I need something to happen, and I need it to talk to my other microservice. And well, how are we doing any of this? Okay, so that's what I'm going to attempt to do in this video. So I now have my two files in their separate folders, and each of them has the Spring Boot functionality, I guess. How can I make them work together? Okay. Okay, so now server application user profiles will serve data through REST endpoint. Okay, so now run each service on a different port. So in application properties of each app, set server application. So server port. Where is server application? Application.properties. Do I see something like that? Okay. I am not seeing anything like this, but I am able to run my service and get and see the web page on the web browser. On port 8080. So yeah, I need to set up different browsers. Add REST API. Okay, so we'll have to do that later, but we need to figure out where the thing is. So makes sense. Spring has some smart defaults. Server port 8080 is actually a default port, which is why I'm not seeing any configuration files even or because I haven't explicitly defined it. Okay, cool. So if I haven't added this, applications.yaml, Spring Boot assumes that it's the 8080. Okay, cool. So now we need to actually create one, I'm assuming. Okay, so cool. We get to create one of these application properties. So source, main, resources, application property. So source, main, resources. Here we go. So we do have this file, we just didn't put any ports on it. So this one is the server application, which I am going to put this server.port. Okay, so server.port is equal to, and I'm just going to have it the same one, 8080. Actually, let's make it 8081, and let's just see if I'm able to get out of this, okay, and save this one. Okay, do I need to update anything or? Okay, I'm just gonna try to rerun it and see if I can get anything on the 8081. Wait, whoa, what's that? Okay, there we go. So let's rerun this. On 8081, look at that right there. Tomcat started on 8081. That's like exactly what we wanted to see. So when I refresh this, we should get an error. Good. Now I'm going to come here, go to 81, and we get it. That's amazing. Awesome. I'm going to actually change this back to 8080 just because I want this one to be the default. Exit out of there. Okay, so now we need the exact same thing on this user profile, but a different port. So we were going to go source, main, resources, application properties. And not you, we want you. Okay, so server.port equals 8081. Okay, cool. So now we have these two. Now we want to add a REST endpoint to user profile. So for example, a profile lookup. All right, so now Java here. Okay. So here's my entry point, right? And now I need to kind of remember how we actually did all this. Call user profiles from server application. So use REST template or web client. Okay. So I know that I can just like look up here to see how we did it. Source, main, Java. So we just created a controller, we created a model, we created a service. Is it controller? I think controller is what we want. So we should probably just like do the exact same thing up here, right? And this is on the same level. So it's under, okay. Here, now I need to create a thing called controller. Okay, inside of controller, I need to create a file, and this is going to be called what? profile controller.java, public class profile controller, okay. And things are very unhappy right now. I don't know why. Let's, I'm just gonna copy and paste this in. Is it happy yet? No? What's the problem though? Java is a non-project file, only send. Okay. So all of a sudden everything just turned red. What if I just save it? No? Oh, okay. I am curious. What if I cd ls cd into the user profile, okay, and then ls here. What if I do the same thing? So maven w spring boot run. Let's see if I get an error. Okay, so we did. Maybe I don't have my dependencies, actually, now that I think about it. Hold on a second. We need a whole bunch of dependencies. We need all of these, right? Like, here's a dependency, here's a dependency, here's a dependent. I think we needed all of these dependencies. Let me just copy and paste this. Hold up a second. So dependencies, and then okay. So copy you, and then I'm gonna come into here of my other one. Oh my goodness, now things are getting like complicated. User profile, now I want the palm of the user profile, okay. And now I want to come in to dependencies, and I want to get rid of all of these and paste in here, okay. Okay. Are we good now? Server application. Okay. So let me just try to rerun this. Okay, so it's still not happy, and it doesn't like this. REST controller. Well, okay. What's this do? Open changes, more actions? No. Okay, well, let's just copy and paste this. Copy and paste you into here. Your profile controller here can't find some key Spring Boot annotations, okay, because they're missing critical dependencies. Open here, inside of here, yes. Make sure that you have those dependencies. This pulls, okay. Refresh and build. Once you update your pom.xml. Okay, so that's kind of what I need to do right here. So clean install. So w clean install. Here's my palm. All right, here's my palm. Do I need to like close it? Duplicate dependencies. Remove one of them. Okay, so let's go into the palm. Dependencies here. Here. So Spring Framework boot. This one's test. This one's test again. So yeah, I don't need this one, right? And Thyme leaf. Okay. So now from here, can I do this? Minus U, whatever that does. Come on, man. Today has not been my day. Okay, I'm just gonna try this. This is just okay, well. Hey, there we go. Alright. So this worked, but I don't know why. Like this worked and all of the other ones did not. Why did this work and what is it doing differently? Okay. So now, am I able to do whatever? This? Like, am I able to run this? Wait, hold on. Did that mean, like, I just got build succeed, right? So did it work? Like, can I do Spring Boot run? Is it gonna work? Okay. So never mind. It doesn't work. I don't know. Is it actually working though? I don't know. Request. I'm not sure. I have no idea if it's actually working. I don't trust it, and I see that it's red. So I'm gonna try this. It gets here. Okay, good. And now I'm gonna come to profiles, and then whatever, Timothy here. I'm just gonna. What is the Java print line? I don't know. Wait, I don't want system error though. System, what was it? System.out? Print line, you are here. Okay. Something like this. Exit out of here, run it again. Okay, come here, come here. Do we get anything? No. Okay. I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh, do I need to say the stupid namespace or something? I don't know. Package, do I have to start with source or do I have to start with main? Controller, right? And then here. Are you happy? Please. Please be happy. Come on, man. I don't know. Today's just been like, oh my goodness. Run, please. Okay, we didn't get an error. No, just. Okay. So, pass string. I don't. Maybe actually I do another one. Maybe I do like okay. Rest controller. Okay, and then public class. Sure, I don't know, man. you do whatever you want, right? And then at get mapping, and then like whatever test. Testing, okay. And then I do this like public string get testing, okay. Like this, and then return tested passed, okay. Now, can I run this and get it to work? Can I just do testing? Shouldn't be declared.我操！我完全不知道我在干啥，啥意思 ？Java enforces a rule. If you declare public class, it must live in a file with the exact. Okay. Getting rid of this testing.java. Here we go. So now I want something similar to this. I want REST controller up here. And is it going to complain because I don't have that package? Package. And now main here, there. Okay. Now REST controller, right? Now get mapping. I'm just going to copy and paste this. Okay. And get rid of this. Oh, yeah, apparently I need this. You know what? I'm just going to copy and paste this. This is what I'm going to do. Paste you, okay? 操！还有红色，靠！ More red. My fucking favorite color. Great. I don't even want to do this anymore. make sure it has its own class. Why is it red? What's wrong? Why? Why? I hate Java. Java is the worst language to have ever been written. Horrible language. Horrible language. Who created this guy? Who is this? What's his name? Where? University of Washington. Okay. Gosling. James Gosling. This guy is terrible. This guy is horrible. Okay. What a terrible product. I cannot say enough about how horrible his product is. It means something like testing Java, or you're declaring a class like no, it's not. It's not working. What is this inner class? What the fuck is an inner class? Inner profile controller.java. What the fuck is that? Dude, this doesn't make any sense. Every public class must live in a file named exactly after it. Okay, you're going away. Goodbye. Goodbye. Move to trash. Okay, fuck you. Get out of my life. That works. Okay. Give me... I got it to... I deleted the something, and now it runs. Okay. But I still want an endpoint, and I can't even talk anymore. I'm so angry. An endpoint called testing that I can just tell that something is working. Go. Give me something. In my user profile service, what No, 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 no. Just an extra, an extra file inside of controller. An extra file inside of controller. Test.java. Copy you. Put you in the fucking other one. Controller. Name you exactly. Test.java, you fucking piece of shit. Paste you in there. Move me out of the way. No. Package. Now what do we want? Now here I am, and hold on, let me make sure that it's the right one. Here I am. This there. That way we know it's working. And what do we want? We want it at here and test. Great. That's not right. What's up? What? You wanna head home?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I am about done anyways. So, yeah, there we go. Anyways, I'm gonna take a break, go home. Anyway, goodbye. Have a wonderful day. My name is Timothy Lee Grant, and subscribe. Bye.